What's going on, campers? Mike Sampson of Straw Hat Adventures, and today I'm coming at you from the patio on the back of this 14TH. That's right, TH, no X on this one. And if you're wondering what that is, it's just going to be the difference between a tent tip out and a large window. So, without further ado, let's get into it. All right, campers, welcome back to another travel trailer walk around. On today's episode, we're going to be going around the 2026 Sunlite 14TH. That's right, no X on this one, like you've seen in previous videos. And all that really means is that we're not going to have the tent tip out on the back side, and you will get to see what replaces that tent tip out. But as you can see here, we're going to also have a very large awning on it, and then some rear living. We're going to have the back patio set up. Remember, this trailer is just under 2,400 pounds unloaded, a 16 foot by 2 inch in total length. It's going to come with a water heater in the front corner, your 30 amp hookup, city water connection, flush right there. On the front side, we're going to have also the power tongue jack, two 20-pound propane tanks. It's a 2-inch ball coupler. Outside shower right here in the front corner. External propane, the solid steps, and 4 stabilization jacks all the way around. Right there's your freshwater fill. Then as we go inside, right to our right, you're going to see your full kitchen with a large farmhouse sink, cutting board cover, 2-burner stove, 12-volt refrigerator with a freezer. Up top will be all your pamphlets and things like that with the information of your appliances, a Bluetooth speaker system, a wet bath, and to give some perspective of what type of body build be able to fit in these, I am 5'9" and about 275 pounds, and I can fit in that wet bath. Underneath your 2-burner stove, you'll have your furnace and microwave with some storage cabinets. There's your 30 amp cord and easy access to your water pump and water heater for winterizing and dewinterizing. You also have rooftop solar with 190 watts up top. There's your thermostat. All your controls are essentially located right here. There's a screen door attached to that door. On your main bed, which is a Murphy bed right here, we are going to have the eatery bar with the bar stools. And then in my other videos, like I said, you saw the X, which had the tip out. Across from that, what replaces that will be this large window. So you get a nice beautiful view when out camping, and then nice wide open patio set on the back of this little micro toy hauler. But in my opinion, it's just a very versatile floor plan. Allows you to get out there, camp, have some extra living space. I know at a show recently that we had these at with the tent tip out, we had like 7, maybe 8 of us inside of it at one time, and we were not elbow to elbow. So this floor plan, very spacious for a small trailer, but can be very versatile. Don't want to forget rooftop AC. So if this is something that interests you and fits in your tow capacity or the lifestyle camping that you're trying to be doing, whether you're traveling, weekending it, or you know, doing shows if you're a vendor or something like that, give me a call, or you can shoot me an email at mike@cortlandrv.com. I'll be happy to accommodate you, let you know what our pricing and and options and like that are on these trailers and our current inventory. Till next time, I'm Mike Sampson of Straw Hat Adventures, and I'll see you in the next one.